Maybe you've heard about the major chord but don't know about the minor chord. Or you never played a chord before. Well, you're at the right place. So today we're going to talk about how to create a major chord and how to transform it into a minor chord. My name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lesson. Alright, so let's talk about a triad. So a triad is basically a chord with 3 notes, like this. And for today, we're going to use the key of C major that has no sharps, no flats. So on the piano is basically all the white notes. So the C major scale that we're going to use is this one. Now we have a formula to create a major chord. So based on the scale, we need the first note of the scale, the third note of the scale, and the fifth note of the scale. And there you go. You have a C major chord. It's that easy. So if we start on F, for example. Now the F major scale is F has a B flat here. So yes, you need to know the scales and what note are in each scales. So for F major, we have this one. So we need the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. And there you go. This is the F major chord. It works on every scale. From D major. D major has 2 sharps. It has F sharp and C sharp. So if I take the first note, the third note, and the fifth note, we get the D major chord. As simple as that. So now that we know how to create a major chord, it gets really easy to create a minor chord. Back to C major. All I need, the one thing I need to create a minor chord is a minor third. So the third of the chord is the third note of the scale. So it's the note in the middle right here, and we need to add a flat to it. So it basically just below a half tone here. And if we get this, we have a minor chord. It's C, A flat, and G. And we have the C minor chord. It's only one note that is different between the C major chord and the C minor chord. Triad here. C major, C minor. So we just take the E and make it E flat. It works on everything. F major chord from earlier, A flat here makes the F minor chord. And if we have the D right here, and we go to half step lower here, we get the D, F, and A, the D minor chord. And once you know that, you need to remember the notes of each chord, because if I change the order, the chord inversion here, it stays the same chord. It's just different order here. So this is a good way to practice those chords. You have D, F, and A, F, A, and D, still a D minor chord. A, D, and F, and it keeps going. So that is a good exercise you can do with these chords. So try to learn this on different key. Just learn the major scale, find the major chord, and then transform it into the minor chord with one simple note. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to never miss a new video. And visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see all the courses and our memberships. So have a good practice.